Hi, I'm Bethany Wallace. I want to give you another tip related to career fulfillment. That is that agility or flexibility and being adaptable and open to change is one of the best soft skills you can grow, develop, and hone when you're pursuing career fulfillment. And it will actually help you achieve greater career fulfillment. So how that happens is really pretty simple. If you're stuck in a rut, one of the reasons, not this is not always true, but one of the reasons that we can often get stuck in a certain job that we don't like, or in a career path we don't like, in an industry we're unhappy with, is because we're afraid to change. And we can be afraid for lots of different reasons. Sometimes it's because we know that our livelihood depends on being on this certain path. And we're afraid if we veer from that path, then we won't do as well. Like we're afraid we don't have the skills that we need to pursue anything else. While that may be true to an extent, like maybe you don't have experience outside of sales and marketing. And so you're afraid that if you go outside of that zone, then you just won't succeed. Maybe you're afraid you won't even be able to find a position outside of something, a certain path that you've always pursued. But I would encourage you to pursue being more agile, more flexible, and more open to change, just in your day-to-day life, in your day-to-day workplace. Because the more that you're flexible and agile, and the more that, even just in small things, let's say that there's a project that comes up and they're asking you to do these 3 tasks, and you've been doing them, you do the same 3 things every day, and then they ask someone in a new project that comes up, we're really needing somebody to take this on. It's a new task, or to learn this new type of software, or to partner or collaborate with this person to get this done. It's easy to just shrink back and wait for somebody else to volunteer and say that they'll do it. But if you're the person who steps in and volunteers and says, okay, yeah, I can do that. Or if it's assigned to you, and instead of having the attitude of, oh my gosh, now I have to do this also, or now I have to learn this new thing and it's really freaked me out. If you try to approach it like, great, now I have the chance to add this other thing to my skill set, which, by the way, is adding another check mark to the skills that you have, that you can list on LinkedIn, or another skill that you can add to your resume, and another thing that makes you more marketable to employers. So that's why being agile and flexible and open to change is going to help you in the long run when you're pursuing career fulfillment. It just opens more doors. It also makes you more marketable to employers. Nobody wants to work with someone or hire someone who's afraid to confront change and to accept challenging responsibilities and opportunities. So I would just challenge you in your day-to-day workplace right now, even if you're not looking for a job, if you just want to be fulfilled where you are, just look for opportunities to gain new skills, to try new things, to collaborate with new people. Because the more that you try new things and gain new skills and look for opportunities to grow, you're just stretching your brain a little bit and stretching that part of you that allows you to be open-minded. And that will make you a better person. It will make you a stronger person, and it will make you more flexible in the long run. If you want more tips on career fulfillment and on a job search, you can check out my blog at bethanywallacego.com, and also my YouTube playlists.